Hola, amigos! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the culinary wonders from around the world. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of Spanish cuisine to unravel the unknown facts about a dish that's not just a delight for the taste buds but also carries a rich cultural history: Spanish Sardinas a la Brasa. So, grab your aprons and join me as we embark on this flavorful journey. But first, let's take a closer look at what makes Sardinas a la Brasa so special. These are no ordinary grilled sardines. They are a celebration of flavors and a staple in Spanish coastal regions. The dish captures the essence of the Mediterranean with its simplicity and bold taste. Historical roots. Did you know that Sardinas a la Brasa has deep historical roots? The tradition of grilling sardines dates back centuries, originating from the coastal regions of Spain. Fishermen would grill freshly caught sardines right on the beach, creating a communal experience that brought people together over a shared love for good food and company. Historical illustrations. Imagine the picturesque scenes of fishermen gathering around open fires, the aroma of sizzling sardines filling the air. It's a tradition that has stood the test of time and is now enjoyed in various forms across Spain. Seasonal freshness. Now, let's talk about the key ingredient, the sardines. One of the secrets behind the exquisite taste of Sardinas a la Brasa is the emphasis on seasonal freshness. In Spain, these small, oily fish are at their peak during certain times of the year, and that's when you'll find them gracing the grills in abundance. Choosing the right sardines is crucial. The freshness of the fish enhances the natural flavors and ensures a succulent, tender texture. It's a testament to the culinary philosophy that values quality ingredients above all else. Marinade magic. But what truly elevates Sardinas a la Brasa to another level is the magical marinade. The secret lies in the combination of simple yet powerful ingredients. Olive oil, garlic, fresh herbs, and a hint of citrus come together to create a marinade that infuses the sardines with a burst of Mediterranean flavors. Marinade preparation. Before hitting the grill, these little fish take a luxurious soak in this flavorful concoction, allowing the ingredients to work their magic and create a symphony of tastes on your palate. Grill mastery. Turning our attention to the cooking process, the art of grilling plays a pivotal role in crafting the perfect Sardinas a la Brasa. The traditional method involves an open flame, imparting a smoky essence to the fish. The sardines are expertly grilled to achieve a crispy skin while maintaining their succulent, flaky interior. Grill master at work. Watching a skilled grill master at work is like witnessing a culinary dance. The sardines sizzle and crackle as they absorb the heat, creating a symphony of sounds that further heightens the anticipation of the feast to come. Social tradition. Let's not forget that enjoying Sardinas a la Brasa is not just about the food, it's a social tradition. In Spain, you'll often find families and friends gathering for sardinadas, lively outdoor gatherings centered around the joy of grilling and sharing these delectable fish. It's a time-honored ritual that fosters a sense of community and camaraderie. Social gathering. Picture a sun-drenched afternoon, laughter filling the air, and the aroma of grilled sardines bringing people together. It's a reminder that food has the power to connect us, creating lasting memories and forging bonds that transcend the dinner table. Versatility on the plate. Another fascinating aspect of Sardinas a la Brasa is its versatility on the plate. While the classic preparation is a true delight, creative chefs across Spain have put their own spin on this iconic dish. From incorporating unique spice blends to serving sardines alongside vibrant salads, the possibilities are as diverse as the regions that celebrate this culinary gem. Health benefits. While we indulge in the rich flavors of Sardinas a la Brasa, it's worth mentioning the health benefits packed into these little fish. Sardines are a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and calcium. This dish not only delights your taste buds but also nourishes your body, making it a win-win for both flavor enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals. As you savor each bite, you're not just enjoying a delicious meal. You're fueling your body with essential nutrients that contribute to overall well-being. It's a reminder that good food can be both indulgent and nourishing. As we wrap up our exploration of the unknown facts of Spanish Sardinas a la Brasa, I hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for this culinary gem. From its historical roots to the emphasis on seasonal freshness and the enchanting marinade, Every aspect contributes to the creation of a dish that's not just a meal but a celebration of culture and tradition. Thanks for joining me on this gastronomic adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more culinary explorations, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious episode. Hasta luego, amigos!